Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my finished projects. About 2 years ago I started crocheting again and wanted to hone some of my skills, so I wanted to share some of the patterns that I used as I was relearning some of my crocheting and also some of the new projects I've been working on. I saw Gary from Urban Yarns make this hat and I just thought it was so cute that I had to give it a try myself. This is a pattern from Fiber Spider and it is the Waffle Stitch Hat. I will put the information down below. I just used some leftover yarn that I had and I think it turned out super cute. So I will put that information down below if you're interested in this pattern. The next pattern I want to share with you is from the Friendly Red Fox. It is the Mountain Ridge Crochet Hat. And I made this pair of hats for a mother and son who is one of my younger son's teachers. She had just had a baby. She absolutely loved it. She is a Michigan State Spartan fan, so the colors were perfect. This was a pretty easy pattern to follow. I did enjoy making it. It took me a couple times to get the ribbing just right, but I will put a link down below to this pattern as well. As I was looking for new hats, I wanted a hat that my boys would wear, and they really thought this Brainwave beanie was pretty cool. It did take me a couple times to get the waves just right. I will be doing a tutorial in the very near future on how to do a brainwave stitch. It won't necessarily be in a beanie, but just how to get that pattern going. This pattern is from Playing Hooky Designs, and again, I will put the link down below. The yarn that I've used in most of these are just a a 4 weight yarn, and then I just used the hook that the pattern told me to. This next hat was one of my favorites when I first started again, and you may be familiar with it. It is from Bego Day Crochet. And when I found this YouTube site with Crystal, she was an excellent teacher, and I had so much fun making this hat. I made it in all different colors, and I bought all different color palms to put on it. I just absolutely love this hat, and it does look just like a houndstooth hat. I thought I would never be able to figure out all the color changes, but she made it so easy to follow, and it was a super fun pattern. So I will put the link down to her video on when she made this hat below. The last pattern that I'm going to show you in this video is from the Crochet Crowd, and it is the Easy Ripple hat, and it was very easy to make. The little band around it was a little challenging. It took me a few times to figure out how to do it. When I did make it, it was a little smaller than I hoped, but when I made other ones in the future, I just increased my hook size, and it just all worked out. This was a super fun hat to make, and it is on my Pinterest site, and this is one of the, if not the #1 saved Pinterest pin that I have out there. Why? I'm not really sure, but people really have enjoyed viewing this hat. So, like I said earlier, a lot of this was me challenging myself as I was getting back into crocheting. I wanted to share these with you just in case you wanted to get those juices flowing and pick something different to make, and not just to share only my patterns, because there are so many awesome creators out there on YouTube and Pinterest and Facebook and all different places. And I just wanted you to have some different options to look at, and maybe they would get your thoughts going on your next project. I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for supporting Epic Yarn Gems, and peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care.